We made it down a really crazy washboard road and we're about to hike Zebra Slot Canyon, which is pretty cool. We don't know how much water's in it. There could be up to chest deep or none at all. And we're doing tunnel slot as well, just 5 miles out and back. Should be a good start to the day. We had a friend that hiked here a couple weeks ago and said the water was about chest deep. We have no idea what to expect now. We just passed a woman that says it was about thigh. I don't know how far in she walked, but we're getting pretty close to it now, so we'll find out soon enough. I can hear people. We must be getting to it. Zebra Slot. It is breezy. Oh boy. Whoa.
How is it?
Cold? Pretty cold?
I don't know. They all said turn around. I don't know why. Oh, I think they got too cold.
Aww.
It's only
really cool. Yeah, it's incredibly taxing. Exhausting. See ya! Okay, it's a little more manageable here. This is nuts. Toward the end of Zebra Slot Canyon, we ended up encountering an impassable pool, so we turned around as it was getting crowded anyway and headed out to Tunnel Canyon. The water is cold again. Mid-thigh, gets real deep. Oh, this is nuts. Whoa! Gets deep over there. Wow! There it is. And then we have to come back. Wow.
So we just finished an 8-mile hike at Zebra Slot Canyon, and it turns out there's a second slot canyon, Tunnel Canyon, so we did that too. And then we drove 8 miles down the worst road we've ever driven on in our lives. But we are cooled down now. The hike was great, and we're headed over to check out Upper and Lower Calf Creek Falls. According to the internet, it's going to be super packed right now, and after 8 miles of hiking already, we don't really have another 6+ miles in us. So we're gonna check it out, find a place to camp tonight, and we'll check it out again in the morning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you didn't like it, it was our first video and we'll try to get better.